Alright, so we're rolling right now. So my name is Jeff, and today we're going to learn about fractions. And specifically, how to convert mixed fractions i.e. fractions like this, 4 and let's say 3/6, which can be reduced to 4 1/2, don't forget that, and converting mixed fractions into improper fractions, which look like this. i.e., 11/4, okay? Where the numerator is larger than the denominator. And I'm going to also teach you how to convert improper fractions back into mixed fractions, and it's super easy. So, here's an example of a mixed fraction. So let's just use what I used before, okay? 4 1/2. So, to convert 4 1/2 into an improper fraction, what we have to do is, and this is really easy, there's a formula for it. So what we do is, we take the whole number, which is this, okay, 4, and we multiply it by the denominator, right? And then we add the numerator. So, denominator, numerator, okay? And we put that over the denominator in the end. So, what do we have? We got 4 times 2 plus 1 over 2. That ends up being what? 8 plus 1 over 2. And the product of that is 9/2. So that is your improper fraction. That's what, if your question is asking you to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, you might need to do this. You might also need to do this for some operations if you're looking at multiplying or dividing or adding when you're doing order of operations, which you would be doing in grade A math, which is what this is based in. This is grade A math, grade A fractions. So this is an improper from a mixed. So let's do it backwards, okay? Let's make an improper fraction from a mixed number. So here's an example, okay? 21/6, all right? So what you do here, there's also a formula for this. So you have the denominator and you divide it by the numerator, okay? Then you're going to have a remainder, and you're going to use all of these things to make a mixed number. You can also do this in your head, but it's good to use the formula to teach. So denominator is 6. 21 divided by 6 is what? How many times does 6 go into 21? Well, let's see. 3 times, and you get 18. So what's 21 minus 18? 3. So, to make the mixed number, we want to take the whole number, which is going to be 3, because 6 goes into 21 3 times. 3 whole times. So 3, okay? And then you take the remainder, and that becomes the numerator in the fraction, and 6 becomes the denominator. But that can be reduced. It can be reduced down to what? Easy. 3 1/2. So there you have a mixed number. And usually you want to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, because if you're dealing with baking, if you're dealing with liquids like paint, if you're dealing with measuring, you're going to want to have whole numbers instead of improper fractions. It's just easier that way to measure. And that's usually what fractions are for measuring. And understanding values of numbers that fall between whole numbers. So that's basically what I wanted to teach you today, and hopefully you guys understand. Thank you.